Welcome back to Galaxy Kids. Today we're at Shenandoah National Park.
First trail of the day, right?
Uh-huh. Good. He's walking right in front of me. It's gonna make me fall.
All right, Ellie, what'd you find?
An old house. Yeah. I found people. I hate people.
Come here, buddy.
No, not Mary. Give me your word. No.
Top of Mary's Rock.
Did Odin see the drop?
Yeah, he looked at it. Turned around. All right, Ellie, what do you think of the Mary's Rock? It's good? What about this guy? How did he do? He didn't do so good.
Oh, Ellie doesn't want any snacks, but she ate 3 Slim Jims and a granola bar.
No snacks, right?
I ate one Slim Jim.
But you didn't want any snacks, right?
No.
You got a snack. We are still hiking the first trail, but look at this view, huh?
You're so stinky. You need a bath.
Oh, let's see Odin.
How'd you see that?
We're going to the cave cemetery. Odin, why are you begging?